here I want to help you see how to draw the mid-level claims, the general claims out from an article that may be full of data, you know, the facts, the historical facts, the numbers, the statistics, the quotes, all the specific information that is level 1 or bottom level claims, because it's so specific. We need to get up to a second level of generality when you write a summary. And the first thing to do would be try to find those claims that are more general than others. For example, let's look right here in this paragraph for this article. Excuse this scrolling around, but the article's name is "Being Green at Ben & Jerry's" by George F. Will, published in 2002, Newsweek magazine. All right, now right down here in this third paragraph, let's read. Over the last 3 decades, energy use has risen about 30%. See, this is facts. No one's going to disagree about this. If we do disagree, we can settle it quickly by record or by looking at the numbers. So this is data we can exclude as far as general claims go. This is very specific. So as population and per capita GDP has risen substantially, so we're using 40% less energy. He's basically doing the math. Again, data, specific data. But look at this right here, which is one reason there is no energy crisis. This is a general claim. In fact, this paragraph supports this general claim. So to start my summary, the first thing I have to do is to make a list of general claims. So let's go ahead and start, and I'll just put, you know, in paragraph 3, he says there is no energy crisis. I'm not too concerned with exactness of quotation right now, because when I actually come to write this, I'll fix all that. I want to try to capture those main ideas. So let's go back to this, and now how about this paragraph right here? Now, if you just can skim it, you can see that a lot of it's about President Clinton and something he did with 68 billion tons, and how if we used our coal in Utah for 45 years, we would have power. And so, you know, this is all a lot of historical data. If you look at this, you'll see that. However, it's supporting this general claim. You see that general claim? So this is another general claim in this article. I'm going to put that into our list. So we go back over here and we'll go sometimes lofty environmentalism is a cover for crude politics. Now, this is going to be a reminder for me. I need to go get the paragraph number. I'm not sure exactly which one it is, but it's a good idea to keep track of this as you do it. It'll save you some time later, but for the sake of this video, let's go find another general claim, and then let's see. Here's something. Opponents of increased energy production usually argue for decreased consumption, but they flinch from conservative measures. A new $1 gasoline tax would dampen demand for gas, but if we added 25 cents to the cost of the gallon, we would get irritable. See this? You know, so tougher fuel efficiency would save energy, but who would save the legislators who passed this requirement? Beware the wrath of Americans who like to drive and auto workers who like to make cars that are big. What's his point in this paragraph? Basically that environmentalists, political environmentalists, shy away from hard standards because they don't want to get the public angry at them. Because if the public is angry at them, then they may lose their elected office. They might get elected out. So let's go back to our list and put that in. So, you know, political environmentalists are afraid of losing their office. Whoops, excuse me. Their office by enforcing the measures that would really add to solving the problem. And again, a reminder for me, I need to get the paragraph before I actually use it. What I'm basically doing here, though, is just making these lists of general claims. I'm ignoring the specific data, the numbers, the names, and now I'll then use this list to form my summary. I'll turn it into a paragraph. And one of these general claims will turn out to be the thesis. There's a really good chance for that, especially if there's a certain claim that the other general claims seem to support, or a certain claim that is more general than the others. That claim has a really good chance of being your thesis. If you can't find it that way, then you look at your general claims and you ask yourself, how would I sum all this up in my own words? What's the one point or the one message that all of these general claims are supporting? And your answer would be the thesis. Now, you would have to include your thesis in the summary, of course, and I would encourage you using some special language like, finally, George F. Will presents his thesis that, and then you write out what you think his thesis is.